Multi-purpose, perfect kitchenware tools for home kitchen. Fill this sprayer with your favorite oils: sunflower oil, vinegar, soy sauce, lemon and lime juice, sherry or Marsala wine. And widely used for salad making, cooking, baking, roasting, grilling, frying, barbecue and so on. Easy to use and clean. Simply press the pump of sprayer to produce a more uniform spray and control the amount of oil when cooking. The transparent bottle makes you know clearly how much oil is left. And you can clean the bottle easily, just unscrew the lid. Warm water. Portable to carry. The oil sprayer dispenser is of 100 ml capacity. Handled and perfect size oil sprayer can be used in kitchen cook tool or carried outside for barbecue, picnic, junket, grilling etc. 100% food safe, made from high-quality glass, BPA-free and eco-friendly. Smart design of transparent glass pot. You can tell the amount of remaining liquid easily. Best service. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We look forward to bringing you a good experience and hope you can have a pleasant shopping experience. Woohubs PYP-1 oil sprayers, medium, gray. Top reviews from the United States. Work like it's supposed to. I have olive oil in one and fractionated coconut oil in a second one. The same amount sprays each time. The textured push spray area keeps my finger in the correct position. It holds enough oil so you're not replacing constantly. But no so much that the oil might taste good over time. I highly recommend these. I've had two for a few months and they are working very well. I've had other brands that stopped working after a few sprays. Or clogged easily. This brand works very well. No clogging and no breaking.